This is Dexter and Scarlett's F1B Golden Doodle litter. They're all reds. And I'll try to zoom in on the ones. This is the turquoise and white female here. Rich just came in. He can lift their heads up a little bit. The turquoise and white. There's the turquoise and white female. Okay. And there's the red male. This is the purple female. Okay. Oops. This is the brown male. This is the pink female. And this is the lime green female. And this is the pink and white female. And this is the turquoise ribbon female. This is the green ribbon male. Scarlett must have worked up a thirst. Listen to her drinking. This is the purple and white ribbon female. And this is the white ribbon male.